So, a video request from sundry students on how to do a student t-test in Excel. One thing you'll need if you want to do this is you need to have the analysis toolkit installed. If you don't know how to do this, there's a video here. You can click on the Excel file, which I'll post on Blackboard as usual, and I'll also post a link in the YouTube description. Okay, so I've done one over here, testing the null hypothesis that two sample means are equal. There's two ways of doing this: a long way, which we'll look at first, and a quick way, just using a function. So here's the data we want. So I'm going to just go down here, make a little bit of space, and we'll repeat this actual process. Okay, so you need to go to data, and if you've got the data analysis toolkit installed, you can click on that and it will come up with a bunch of options. Now, as I said, we're using the example where the means or the variances, in this case as described here, equal. You probably need to look up which ones you would want to use for various situations. So we'll click on OK. Now it's already got information in here because we've already tried it, but we'll go through it again. Variable range 1 is the data in this column here. It's changed slightly because I've moved it since last time I did this. Variable range 2 is the data in this column here. It's set with the alpha at 0.05, so 95% confidence. And I've set an output range in up here, but I want it in a different place down here, so I want it down there. Click on that, click on OK, and it comes up with the data, as we might expect. So obviously the key thing we're interested in there is the p-value. Let's go to home, make that red, and there it is. So there's the sort of long way of doing that. There is a quicker way of doing that, which I've shown here using the function t-test, which is again the same data plus a couple of variables. Okay, so we'll just have a look at this. Okay, so I'm going to go down here and I'm going to call it rapid again. Rapid, I'm reaching on my microphone here, which is why I can't suddenly type. Okay, click on that and t.test, open brackets, get the data for the first thing, first column, comma, data for the second column, and then I'm going to enter 2 and 2. Now what these are indicating is that it's the first number entered indicates a two-tailed test, and the second one is a type. So a two-tailed test, in this case the sample means are equal. Okay, so let's click on OK, and it comes up with the same number there. I just need to refine that slightly, get rid of some of the decimal points. So go to format cells, number. We can't reasonably have that many numbers after the decimal point. And there we go. And that's all there is to it. Pretty straightforward stuff. I hope you'll agree.